Hey everyone, want lightning fast downloads on Windows? I'm gonna show you a simple trick that can instantly boost your speed, and it only takes 1 minute. Click your Start menu, Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options. This is where Windows lets you control update downloads. Next, scroll to Delivery Optimization. By default, Windows may limit your bandwidth or even let other PCs on your network share it. We're going to fix that. Enable download limits and set both sliders to 100%. This allows Windows to use your full internet speed for downloads and updates. It's simple but extremely effective. Restart your PC and you'll see the difference immediately. And that's it. Maximize your download speed in less than 2 minutes. Hit like, subscribe, and comment your results. See you in the next tip.